Hello my friends, welcome. Today we are making the Anthony William Heavy Metal Detox Smoothie. This is perfect for getting heavy metals out of the organ tissues, so out of your liver, out of your brain, out of your intestines, out of your kidneys. So important for helping to reverse chronic illnesses such as eczema. It's worked extremely well helping me. I used to have really bad eczema on my hand and all over my body ever since I was a kid. Drinking this smoothie every day, along with reducing my fat intake, eating more fresh fruits and vegetables, and also drinking celery juice, helped me to get the toxic copper out of my liver, which was feeding Epstein-Barr virus, which was then excreting the copper as a dermatoxin, which then poisons my skin. This can help a lot with other things like ADHD, autism, Alzheimer's, and really honestly, every single chronic illness can benefit from getting metals out of the body. Okay, so today I got some wild blueberries. These I got from the store near me. They're organic wild blueberries, not regular blueberries. Wild blueberries, very important. Gets the metals out of the body and one of the most powerful healing tools on earth. I also have a big handful here, see, of fresh cilantro. Okay, fresh cilantro. It gets the metals out of the body. Also got some bananas here. I got about, how many blueberries in there? It's almost 4 cups. It's about 3 to 4 cups of blueberries. The recipe only calls for 2 cups. Obviously the recipe's in the description. But today I just decided that 4 cups was, usually I just have more because I'm a hungry man. And I use my brain a lot, so I need those blueberries to fuel my brain. Also, bananas, amazing brain food as well. Your brain runs on the glucose, guys, runs on sugar, not on ketones. That's not even physically possible. We'll talk about that more in another video, but that's literally misinformation. Your brain literally runs on sugar, okay? You're a fucking ape and you need sugar. So this sugar here is very tasty, and it's also helpful to get the metals out. Here I got some spirulina powder. This one actually kind of sucks. Let me get a spoon. This spirulina powder here actually sucks. I should be getting the Hawaiian spirulina powder, but I just have this bag for now. I'm going to finish it up. I might get the Hawaiian one after. It's a lot more expensive, but like it's probably worth it. It's more nutritious because it's grown, I believe, from the actual ocean instead of like in a laboratory somewhere. So there's a little bit more nutrition in it. Barley grass juice powder. All right, very, very, very nutritious. Also, all of these ingredients are helping to get the metals out, besides the banana and the orange, which is what we're going to put in next. So the Heavy Metal Detox Smoothie was channeled by the medical medium. It was given to him by the source, the spirit of compassion, and it has helped millions of people to help to reverse their chronic illnesses by helping them to get heavy metals out of their body. Also got some Atlantic sea dulse here. Atlantic sea dulse. I love this stuff. It's you know it's good when it's soft. If it's crunchy and stuff, it means it's a little bit old. When it's soft like this, it means it's good. You know what? It has a really strong taste that takes a little bit of getting used to. But after 3 months of just like straight cleansing, and I've been eating this for a while, it starts to grow on you a little bit. It has this like salty sea sort of taste. I feel like I'm eating the sea floor. Got a nice fresh orange here. I'm gonna hold the orange in my hands and just allow my body to really charge the orange with some energy. I'm not visualizing anything in specific. I'm just giving the fruit a chance to kind of change its cells. The fruit, when you hold it in your hands, like a lemon or an orange or an apple, if you hold it in your hands, you allow your body to prepare to ingest it, and you also allow the literal cells of the fruit to actually edit and change themselves a little bit to be more nutritious for your specific physical makeup, okay? Yes, nature's very intelligent like that. The same is true for if you have a garden. Just gonna juice this orange right here. Imagine thinking this is not good for you. That's to be a fucking psychopath. That you got to be really lost in some sort of mental ideology. You got to be super disconnected from your direct experience in order to convince yourself that these fresh fruits and fresh vegetables are not good for you. It takes a lot of mental gymnastics to convince yourself that these things that smell amazing, taste amazing, are filling your body with energy, fueling you, making you feel awake and alive. The only way you can think it's not good for you is if the rest of your diet is eggs and bacon and chocolate, and then when you eat the fruit, it hurts your stomach because everything else in your diet is actually ruining your insides, and then the fruit is trying to cleanse, and then that process can sometimes be a little bit painful. So yeah, this is something I've been drinking this every single day for a while. Now, sometimes I miss a day. The idea is you want to get the 5 ingredients into your body, okay? The 5 main ingredients that actually detox the metals are the wild blueberries, the sea dulse, the spirulina, the barley grass juice powder, and the cilantro as well. Did I forget any? No, those are the 5, I believe. Those 5 ingredients work together to bind onto metals in your body, to bind onto them and to help to stay binded onto them as they flush out of your system. I'm going to blend right now. You know what? It might need a little bit of water. Yeah, you can add a little bit of water in it to blend. This is just reverse osmosis water that I get from the store. It's cleaner than just tap water that's full of metals and all this. There we go. I rub that banana peel on my face because, number one, it feels good. It's nice and fresh. It's filled with antioxidants, really good for your skin. And I'm doing an experiment, so every day I rub a banana peel on my face at least once just to see what happens. I don't know. We have 0 scientific experiments that actually test this stuff, so someone has to test it. And I haven't noticed any results yet. I've only been doing it for a week, but it does feel good. So here it is. We got that nice color. Got a glass here. Here, pour it into the glass. This thing tastes absolutely amazing. It is honestly one of the tastiest smoothies I've ever tried. And all of these ingredients, okay, all 5 of them, they help to work together to take the metals out of your body. Now, if you don't have one of the ingredients, like spirulina, for example, or like dulse, that's fine. Try to get the other 4, okay? If you don't have 2 of them, do minimum 3, okay? You don't really want to go under 3, okay? Because then it won't really take the metals out. 4 is better than 3. 5 is better than 4. Okay, so you want to get all 5 ingredients in there. They technically don't have to be drank all in the same smoothie like this. You could eat them throughout the day. So you could have wild blueberries in the afternoon with your oatmeal. You could have dulse later in the day with a banana. You could have some cilantro in your salad. You can mix spirulina in some coconut water. You can have barley grass juice powder with your banana or whatever it is. So you can eat them throughout the day and they'll still work. In that sense, this is just a very easy and convenient way to get all of them in your body. And take a nice sip here. Oh my God. Oh my. Wow. So good. So nutritious. These wild blueberries are literally protecting my brain from all kinds of toxins. You can learn more about it in Medical Medium's book. Like I actually have one here. This is the celery juice one. There's hundreds of pages of detailed information about specifically how and why it works. So I have a lot of people that tell me like, oh, you know, this stuff doesn't work, this and that, celery juice has too much oxalates, or, you know, the metals don't actually come out, or this and that. Yeah, but they don't actually read the book, okay? You got to read the book, and then after you read the entire book, then after you realize that he made all of the rebuttals in the book already, and he already explained why people think that it doesn't work, and he explained a million reasons why it actually does work, and it actually makes a lot of sense in your mind, and you're actually open-minded and you're testing it, and you're in your experience. You're not just like leaving comments ideologically, like in theory, like theoretically it doesn't work. Yeah, but did you ever drink it before? Did you ever try it? Did you ever read about it? Did you like actually open your mind to it? So that's very important. So if you want to learn more about the Heavy Metal Detox Smoothie, you can buy Anthony Williams' book, Cleanse to Heal. Okay, that's where most of the information about this specific smoothie is. Also, Brain Saver as well has a lot of information about this smoothie. It's a life-changing thing. If you want to learn specifically about how the metals are actually in your brain, what kind of metals, how they can oxidize, how they can feed viruses, how they can fuse and form alloys when the brain heats up or when the liver heats up. These metals like aluminum, nickel, they can fuse and form alloys, etc., creating even more problems. So if you want to master your health, I think the Medical Medium is the most powerful diet information on planet Earth by far. It's not even close. Anyone who's disagreeing with me, thank you for giving me a good laugh, because my life is not funny enough, and sometimes I like to have a good laugh. So I appreciate your disagreement, because it literally just shows you literally didn't read any of the material, you didn't listen to any of the podcasts, you didn't even try the diet. You're just not open-minded. You're not even you're disagreeing before you're even checking. You're disagreeing on premise. So that's not real science. That's not real truth finding. So in the weird way, you're the one who's being the pseudoscientist, because you're not even open to you're not even testing things. You're not even checking. So yeah, it's the best stuff on earth by far. Save yourself a lot of time. Skip right to the Medical Medium info. Become a master of it. Learn it. It'll save your life and it'll make you and your loved ones very, very healthy. It's helped me a lot, and I think it's very important for your self-actualization journey. If you want to become the best version of yourself and you just want to feel a lot of energy and you want to feel good throughout the day, do a 30-day Medical Medium morning cleanse. So lemon water, celery juice, heavy metal detox smoothie. Do this every day for 30 days. See how fucking amazing you start to feel. See how much easier your life gets, how much more energy you have, how much your symptoms start to go away, your chronic fatigue, your arthritis, your back pain, your insomnia, your inability to sleep, your addictions. A lot of this goes way down when you feed your body with the necessary mineral salts, so celery juice, spinach, this kind of stuff, and glucose from fruits, okay, not from lollipops, not from cookies, from fruits, okay, and vegetables like squash, which is technically fruit. Yeah, See how good you feel in your own experience. Test it. You got to give it at least 2-3 months. All right? Don't say, oh, I had the smoothie one time and it hurt my stomach, so I quit. No, you do it for 3 months and see how you feel after that, along with the celery juice and all this. You will change your life. This is how to actually be healthy. Enjoy. I got to go now. Peace.